Just done another full motor change, so I thought I'd bring it out today and do a little test flight. But let's just take this drone up and see how well it performs today, if it performs at all. So we've got good satellites. I'm going to start recording now. Hello everyone, Mark here, and today I thought I'd do another quick test on the Hubsan X4 Desire H216A. Now I've been having problems with this drone. I've done numerous full motor changes on this drone and it just don't perform very well at all. So I've just done another motor change. I'm not convinced whether it's the motors that keep going or the motherboard that's the problem, which is causing the motors to go. But I've just done another full motor change, so I thought I'd bring it out today and do a little test flight. I'm all paired up. I can't do a screen recording because for some reason my Android screen recording keeps on messing around with all of the apps. It just makes the apps freeze. So I'm going to do this again, but obviously I'll do it on iOS because the screen recording capabilities on iOS is better than Android from what I've been experiencing. But let's just take this drone up and see how well it performs today, if it performs at all. So we've got good satellites. I'm going to start recording now. So start recording. And let's take the drone up. Okay, let's just let it hover there for a little bit, make sure it's flying okay. Seems to be as stable as it normally is. So let's take it forward. And it's flying okay. Bring it back. Okay, that's fine. Bit side to side, just to make sure it's functioning okay. And then set it off. Now what I've noticed with this drone, and this has been happening since day one, it's not very responsive. There's slight delay in the flight characteristics, but it is what it is. But I do expect a little bit more from it, to be honest. But at least it's actually in the air today, which is one step ahead, that's for sure. So let's just fly around. I'm going to fly around in the lowest rate because this drone actually flies better in the lowest rate. It's not so twitchy. So let's just fly it around, keep it close for now. It's a bit breezy today. We've got like 4 mile-an-hour breeze coming across us, but it's flying okay. It's GPS, so it should be okay. So what we're going to do is just take it forward and then give it a bit of distance and a bit of altitude. Okay, it's a shame I can't do screen recording, guys, so you could see my telemetry, but unfortunately I just can't do that today. Okay, it seems to be flying pretty well actually today. This is the best it's flown in a long time. Now, knowing this drone, it's not going to stay flying great like this, but you've just got to make the most of it. And like I say, I know a few people that have had this drone and have had no issues with it, but I also know quite a lot of people that have. Unfortunately, quality control on this drone, and quite a lot of Hubsan drones to be fair, is not great, but today it's performing well. So I'm happy with that. So what we'll do is just bring it over, just like so, and let's just take it up, get a bit of video going. Let's get some altitude. If this thing flies away, to be fair, I ain't too worried. Okay, so we've got a bit of altitude. Just hold it there for a minute. So our altitude is 27 meters. It seems a bit higher than that, but whatever. And a 55 meter distance. So let's take it out to say 100 meters. The feed is fluctuating a little bit, but not too bad. Okay, so there we go. We're at 92 meters, and that's enough. And I can see a dog walker in the distance, so I'm going to turn it around, bring it back towards me. The video feed is a little bit choppy, but it's not too bad. Hopefully it's recording and getting some half decent footage. Obviously this is by far a video and photography drone, that's for sure. But it does its job. And I'm really happy with how it's actually flying today. It's flying really quite nice. This is as good as it's flown in a long time. So that motor change has done its job. But let's just hope it stays like this now. At least for a while anyway. Okay. Flying really well. What I'm actually going to do, I'm going to take it off into the distance and do a return to home and then call it quits. I think quit while we're ahead. So let's take it around. Battery's on 42%. The dog walking down there, so I'm going to keep it in this direction. I want to stay well above 200 meters away from them. Okay, it's saying low battery. So what we're going to do is initiate return to home and see how well it does. 25 meters high and 80 meter distance. Now it's coming back pretty quickly at 5 meters per second. Just step back and see how well it actually does. See how close to the landing pad it gets. I'm happy if it gets 2 meters within distance, to be fair. At the end of the day, return to home. It doesn't need to land on the landing pad, it just needs to come back to you. So it's certainly doing that. Oh, we're well off 2 meters. But like I say, that's fine. Okay, and we're landed. Shut the motors off. Stop the video recording. Hopefully that's recorded. I've put a different SD card in there. Okay, I'm very happy with this flight today. I must admit that worked out really well. So this is the Hubsan X4 Desire Pro 216A, and today it performed well. I'm really happy. Hopefully it's going to stay performing like this, because then it's just another drone for my little girl. To be fair, the only GPS drone that I'll be using mostly is my DJI Spark, but I do have a lot of toy grade drones and I like flying them because they're fun, hassle and worry free. But this one, as long as it performs well, I can give it to my little girl, and her drone collection, thanks to JD Quad, is growing and growing quite nicely. So that's it for me, guys. Thanks for watching. Please do hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Hit that bell notification button so you can see more up and coming videos, and I've got a few more on this drone coming up. And that's it. Happy RCing, guys. Take care. Bye bye.